Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to me because I'm back in the UK. Not for long, but I'm currently at my nan's house. Everyone's been asking how Nan is. She's great. She's even better because I'm home. Anyway, you might be wondering why you're sitting on the kitchen counter in your nan's house. Well, it's a long story, but I have a lot of allergies, particularly to dust, and grandma's houses are always a little bit dusty. They can't help it, they can't clean the top of the cabinets. That's why they have lovely grandchildren who do it for them. Anyway, this was me yesterday. Oh, I look really sick. That's not good, I can't film like this. Basically, I decided to take matters into my own hands and do a really good thorough clean of some of the parts of my nan's house to make her happy and to make my allergies go away. So today I'm going to share with you the kitchen transformation. I'm really proud of this one because I did this primarily through cleaning and organising alone. I did do a couple of little touch-ups in a few areas that really made a big difference as well, but I'm really impressed with how well it's turned out. Before jumping into today's video, I want to let you know that it's very kindly being sponsored by Discord, who have been partnering with me this summer. Discord is a really great app and desktop site that you can use to join servers and find communities, whether that be with your friends, which is how I originally used it, or with people online like me. I have my own Discord server now, so if you want to join in, I'm going to be live at this date and time and we're gonna have a little chat with each other. The great thing about this is that you guys can meet and chat with each other in all of the different channels. I've made a few. My favorite one is cute pets. Please share your cute pets with me. I would be very happy to see them. Anyway, Discord is a really fun way that you can keep in contact with people using the text chat, voice channels and stage features, and I've been using it for a really long time to talk with and play games with my friends every Friday. If you want to join Discord for yourself, it's completely free to do and you can join my server. I'm going to link it all in the information box below. Come and join in and say hello. It's a nice place we can hang out. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started on this kitchen transformation. Why so much sunscreen? Empty. I need this. So here's the problem, when my nan does the dishes, she lets them dry here, but then they just stay here, and you want to know why? This is my theory, because this is what the inside of the cupboards look like. And if you want to get one of these most frequently used plates, you have to move a stack of two different types of bowl to get it. I think getting this organized is one of the top priorities so that she can actually access what she needs and keep the surfaces clutter-free. Plastic lid. What's it from? Who knows? I don't know if we'll even find out at this point. That's going in the recycling. I've been told to get the little bottle out of the recycling. Nan uses it for her milk. You might be wondering where I'm putting all of this stuff. Let me show you. I'm putting it all on the table, but in categories. So this is mugs, this is pots, bowls, food, random miscellaneous things, hardware items, etc. Then we're gonna sort through it. but let's get it off of the counters first. Okay, we're at the midway point of getting stuff off of the surfaces, but before I continue, I really want to sort out these cupboards because there's nowhere I can put stuff, and I want to see how much space we have to see how much we can put in here. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to decide what I think Nan needs and set aside what I think she doesn't, so then she can have a look through a bit later. My Uncle Will made this for me when I was like 5. Thanks, Uncle Will. Still love it. He really got the widow's peak down. See, this is really heavy. I don't know how she moves this stuff. Oh my god. That is only 2 shelves. Let me show you what's in it. All of this stuff. Add all of that stuff. So let's give them a really, really good clean, and then we'll do this shelf by shelf because I do not have enough counter space. Okay, so far we have all of this sorted. Got a half empty shelf there. So as you can see here, I've stacked them by type and I've tried to keep it quite minimal. I think this is working and I'm gonna wait for Nan to come back to sort this stuff together. Overall, I think we've done really well. Can someone explain to me, why is there a pine cone here? No. We're going section by section. Look at this. This looks so much better. I know this is the setup she likes, so I've put it back, but I've tidied it. I've also put a basket there in case she has any little bits and bobs. They can actually go in the basket. That's so much nicer. Now let's tackle the sink, because this is the section I really don't want to do. We used this last year on the section that I've just tidied, but we never did this. So let me show you how well it worked, because the whole of the kitchen looked pretty much like this last year. So I've asked Nan to pick up some cork for the windowsill and some silicone sealant for around this area. It has suffered a lot of water damage over the years, so I don't think we'll ever get it perfect. But already the grout is looking better. progress update. We're really getting somewhere. I'm gonna take down Mary and Bright. I have something else I want to put here instead. I need to get rid of the kitchen shredder and find somewhere else for it to go. And I want to turn this nook into something, I'm not sure what yet. And then this is all of the other stuff. Not all of it is going to be decluttered. I'm going to go through all of it with Nan and we can decide what's going, what's staying and where it goes. She has some hard decisions to make today, let me tell you. I've moved the shredder. Kind of wish I hadn't. That's bad. Okay, we're not done yet, but Nan's coming back and she's gonna have to use the kitchen before I finished it. So I want to get her honest reaction of what she thinks so far.
Oh, Hermione, how? Where's everything gone to?
Well, it's over there. Doesn't look good so far.
Oh, where's my chalkboard gone with my Mary and Bright on?
It's gone.
You've worked a miracle.
We're not done yet. Come on then. Good morning, it's day 2 of tidying and decluttering the kitchen. We have come so far. I think we're about 75 to 80% of the way there, so I'm gonna finish it up today and I can't wait to show you how it looks. Last night me and Nan went through everything that was on that table and she was so good at getting rid of stuff. I'm actually really proud of her. I think maybe seeing the transformation at the midway point yesterday, it gave her a kick up the backside to declutter a little bit. So I'm really happy that she made some good choices. There's still a few things that we need to find homes for, like the stuff on top of the fridge and on top of the microwave. I also want to do something with this little section where there's a magnet board on the wall. It's never used and I think we could put a shelf up here. I found this old shelf that used to belong to me in my old home and it's been floating around the kitchen, so I think it could look really cute on the wall. Plus that means it's another area for me to style, so it's a win-win.
It's almost time for me to share with you what the final transformation looks like, but before, I want to show you what this looked like 2 days ago. If you can remember, it was cluttered and there were just a lot of items that didn't have a home and a lot of small problems that caused all this stuff to accumulate on the surfaces. So, because Nan has the best granddaughter in the world, this is how it turned out. I cannot believe how this turned out. I'm really happy with it. Before, I never used to like the orange or the green walls, but I think that's just because it was cluttered. Now that it's clean, I really love this kitchen. I think it's beautiful. I think it's really unique. And it's such a nice space to be able to prepare food in now and to be able to spend time with family. My nan keeps telling me how much she loves it, and that is the real prize at the end of the day for me. I'm just really pleased that everything has a home now and she can keep up with this kitchen.
Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. That is everything. I really enjoyed this one because it was nice to see such a huge transformation from start to finish. And my nan, bless her, managed to get rid of so many things. I'm actually really proud of her. The kitchen looks great. It looks like how it should have looked this whole time. And I think my nan is pretty pleased as well. I have a couple of other ideas of things that I'd like to do in Nan's house, including her beautiful conservatory and this half of the kitchen as well, which I have left kind of untouched. Actually, I think it looks slightly better than when I started on this half. So like for part 2, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let me know in the comments, are you doing some decluttering or some cleaning this week? Good luck if you are. Fingers crossed it goes well. With all of that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye. And I'm gonna get off the counter.